My recordings miss your.
All right, do it. It's live.
I haven't got the notification yet. It comes. There it is. That's how long it takes right there.
You get a notification?
Yeah, because I'm following you, so it pops up.
Oh, cool.
Oh, Cardone current advertising.
Yes, sir.
So did that? I'm sorry, but listening to that podcast with Ed just kind of confirmed of what I thought his douchiness was.
Oh yeah. I mean, listen. All these people play a tune. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And we all have our own flaws. You know,
Yep.
I think that's what it shows me is that they're real people. You know what I mean? Like
Totally.
they have cognitive illusions just like the rest of us. You know?
Yeah. It was so funny listening to that. Like Ed just saying, "We're cutting that out. We're cutting that out." Like, we're gonna cut that out. I don't know why you're saying that. We're gonna cut that right out.
Yeah, it's funny, man. Can't really say much anymore. Yo, we're live, by the way.
Yeah.
What's up? What's up, Facebook, YouTube?
Sorry, Grant. Hopefully you never see this. All right. I have to rewrite your scripting. So I rewrote it here. I posted live. Let me pop this on a couple more accounts.
So today we're just going to be setting up Lewis's WordPress site and securing it with a certificate. And then I'm going to show him something else too. That's pretty cool.
Oh, I like surprises. There we go. We are now live on Lewis May's page. That's me. And we're live on Lewis May Builds Sales. That's I do sales consulting page. And now we're about to go live on Hammer Sport Marketing.
Lewis May Build Sales.
That's the only name they would let me change my health insurance page to. I don't know why couldn't. Privacy settings on this post means that you can't.
Hold on. Let me change it. I didn't log into my Facebook yet. One sec. You can share it from my public page, dude. You should share it from my fan page. Like, that's the one you should share.
I'm on Riley Seaburg.
Riley David.
Oh, okay. Let me go to that.
Yeah, that's the better one. Because that's my page.
I was asking you that the other day, but I couldn't figure out which was which.
Riley Seaburg's my profile. You're friends with me.
Say that again?
Riley Seaburg is my profile. Like, you're friends with me. But
okay.
Riley David is my page. You follow my page.
Okay.
You're friends with my profile.
Oh yeah, here I can watch. You got 14. Is this one? No, this is May 4th. Okay. See there. This is different, so I got to figure out how this works here. Because I see that we're live right now, but it doesn't pop. It doesn't pop up in your feed like it does in the other one.
Oh, you gotta click on videos. Yeah, see how it says live on the left? Right there. It's right there.
Yeah, but I can't share that.
Click on the video.
Okay, now I can share this. I see that we're live right now, but it doesn't pop. I thought I was. It doesn't pop up in your feed.
That wasn't me.
I gotta turn the volume down on that. Otherwise, I hear you and then I hear you again. And that's
Damn, that's how my page looks. I gotta fix that shit up.
What happened? See, now it's really confusing. Good God. I'm falling down a rabbit hole of like confusing errors.
I wonder how many times it's gonna do that. That's hilarious.
What's happening? Why is it up there at a different time and down here at, oh my God. I got to keep going here, huh?
Yeah.
Because I got 2 more to go.
That's
Here goes
Dude, that's one of the coolest things I've seen in a while. That's funny.
Look at this, another one.
I wonder how long that would keep going for.
I don't know, but I should probably keep trying, huh?
That's like a wormhole, man.
Oh, I got really confused there and I tried to click on the, I don't even know where I'm at in it now. Okay. Oh, I don't. I can't tell which one is which either. All right, I give up after this. I'm not doing it anymore.
Damn. If I run this as an ad, that's gonna be hilarious. If that's like the first 30 seconds of the video.
I mean, it's making me sweat and stuff.
It's giving me a fucking headache.
Yeah. Oh, that's beautiful.
God damn.
It's like the Matrix, dude.
Can you stop doing that?
I don't even know how to get out of it. I don't even know what I'm doing, man.
I would just close your whole browser.
It's like kind of looking into a black hole or something. Looking at God's face.
Well, you're ripping holes in the internet. Shit like that isn't supposed to happen.
No. Facebook is going to find out about that and come knocking.
Yeah, you just use like 100 gigs of data.
All right. Well, that was worth it for sure. That might have been one of those things that's literally never been done before.
I'm sure maybe it's been done at some point once.
A live feed showing somebody sharing a live feed over and over and over.
Yeah, probably.
Okay. Yeah, you're right. It's not that original, but it's pretty good, and I'm glad we got that on live feed. So, all right, moving on.
All right, so now like share your screen again. So what we're gonna do is, like last episode, Lewis bought some hosting, and we pretty much left it at that because like the server crashed after that. But now we're back up and running. And his hosting is set up. His domain is set up on his hosting. And when you do set up a hosting account, WordPress automatically gets installed. So WordPress is installed on his hosting. So what we're going to do is...
Which I didn't have to pay extra for, like you would on any other hosting site.
You didn't pay extra for it. It's, came free. And so what we're going to do is just set up his WordPress site, and then we're going to secure it with a free SSL certificate from Let's Encrypt. And so share your screen. Okay. Actually, check your email first. Make sure that you got that welcome email.
Yeah, I've got a new account one. Please read this.
There should be 2 of those. I sent 2 of them.
Yep.
Use the newest one.
27 minutes ago and 37 minutes ago. So the 27-minute ago one. Go on the URL.
Yeah. And then share your screen.
And log in with the password and stuff first?
Yep.
Okay.
So this email that he's clicking is automatically generated by the system and sent. So it gives you a username, password, a temporary URL, and a permanent URL.
So I'm logging in through Plesk, and boom, I'm into it, hammersport.net. So share.
Nice.
Yeah, it looks great. This is exciting.
Yeah, it's cool, right?
Yeah.
So the first thing we're going to do is secure it. So click on Let's Encrypt.
Left side, right side, top, bottom.
Yeah.
Boom. Let's encrypt.
And then click that, and then click that, and then click that. And it's that easy.
And this is, once again, this is another thing that if you did this all through GoDaddy, you would be paying for both of this.
Oh yeah, you'd be paying. Hold on. Let's. We'll have to add the DNS record for that. Real quick, go to GoDaddy and see how much an SSL certificate it is. It's actually hilarious how much they charge.
Where would I find that?
Click on web security. SSL certificates. Scroll down. $63 a year. That's the cheapest one.
Okay. And what is ours? What is yours compared to, you think? Does it compare to the cheapest one, or?
Well, it's a Let's Encrypt certificate. They're all the same. You know what I mean?
Okay.
So
there you go. So right there, you save $5 a month just by going through veteran hosting.
Yeah. So you save a lot of money.
If not more. That's on sale too.
Yeah. And then you already saved money on the WordPress, so you're like already $100 a year saving.
And I think when we looked at it, what it was is it was like $30 a month for everything that you would want basic size versus your $4.99. So really, it's probably close to $20 to $25 a month once you get all the things added up.
Yeah. And there's a bunch of other stuff you can do on here too. Like you can do more than just your hosting. You can do SEO, which comes included.
Oh, boom. Okay.
Email comes included, but most people have email. But
Put it like on this, where we're going to set my email up through this, but I'll still be able to use it through Google, right?
Right. Like if you wanted to, you could like run custom web applications on here. You know what I mean? Like you can do more than just host a website on this.
Oh, like a web application that an enterprise level company uses.
Yeah, you just like use the file manager. Like I gave you, so if you click, I think not applications. That's not it. Scroll down real quick.
Yep.
No, on this main screen. Scroll down. So it's not on here, but yeah, you can host like Java, Ruby, all different types of applications. You can have multiple databases. Actually, can you click on that?
Which one?
Where I clicked right here. I want to see what pops up. Nothing. Click this. Okay, yeah. So, yeah, I gotta put that in there. But yeah, you can run pretty much anything off of this.
Sounds like this is almost like you're trying to disrupt an industry, Riley.
You know, I mean, listen, all my thing is like you can build a database right here, right? And then you can put the files that access that database right here.
Yep.
So that's everything you need to run a web app.
There you go.
And you can start for $5 a month.
And then we know, remember our gentleman Alan, who we are in touch with. He can build web apps.
Yeah, and he built nice ones too. Really nice ones.
Yep.
He built your app, right?
No, that's Alan's the guy I met through Train Your Trainer, the SRS.
Oh, yeah, he does good stuff too.
Yeah. The other guy, he doesn't really get into web apps, but he does build.
It's all the same though.
It really? Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's all the same. Like it's a little bit of type of like different structure and format, but it's all the same.
Awesome.
Yeah. But anyway, so what we're gonna do, we secured his site, right?
Yep.
So now, like that little warning you got before when you tried to log in, you're not gonna see that anymore. Now it's just gonna show a lock. Can you click?
Go ahead. Sorry. Websites and domain.
There. What I want to do is just do the DNS template for your email right now.
Great.
So what I'm gonna do is DNS settings, and then give me. Let's see. Is webmail in there? It is. Oh, I think we have to go to. We might have to log into your other account to. Yeah. Here, that's the webmail. What is webmail supposed to point to? Webmail points to the IP, and the MX record points to. Yeah, we have to put this in your W.
GoDaddy?
Oh, you have it in GoDaddy? Yeah, put in your GoDaddy.
Well, I'm sorry. I was just trying to finish your sentence.
Yeah, in your GoDaddy, because that's where you have the domain, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we have to put this record right here, an MX record in there. You have it pointed to an IP address, right? Yeah, that's what we did. Yeah, we have to add that record, and then we can start doing mail. And then we'll also do this webmail one as well to host your web server.
Okay, so there we are. We're in here. There's Hammer
Yeah, just
Sport.
go to DNS. And then just copy the MX record from that.
With the period at the end?
No.
Okay. Just ending with the P.
Yeah. GoDaddy automatically puts that in. So click add, right? MX. Host is at. Points to. That's the paste. And then priority is 1. And then make that as short as it can be. Half hour. Do 600. Custom 600. Save. And then we'll add the IP too for the web now.
Well, okay, awesome. Where do I next? Boom, up there.
Yeah, so it's just right here, this one. So webmail and then the IP.
Add.
Yeah, so we're gonna select an A record, and then it points to is the IP, and then we got to select the host, which is the mail.hammersport.net. So we go back and just copy it.
This other thing.
Right here. Yeah. No, it's webmail.
Same number then, in this case.
No, just copy this right here.
Oh, that part. Without the dot on the end.
Yeah.
Host?
Yep. Careful, I don't know what the hell that is.
Okay.
Yeah, don't do that. Okay. Just copy it.
I don't know why they put that period at the end there.
Well, that's part of the. It is part of it, but they make it so that when you type it in, you don't have to. And then change the time on that to 600 seconds. Save. So that's all we really need. So now we can set up your email if you want.
Yeah, I think that's super valuable for me and for everybody to see. That's huge.
Yeah, I mean that's literally all it is. So you just add the MX record, and then we add the point the web server to an IP.
From my point of view, look, I know this shit. I know I can figure this out through videos and stuff like that. But from my point of view, still as an experienced computer user, just not a web designer, this is stuff that I feel like people have charged me hundreds of dollars for.
Yeah, they have, man. That's the point. That's why I'm doing this.
I know. So I just wanted to say that because that's how awesome this is to put this out there and just say, and you know what? people still come to you and have you do this, but it's nice to show the world what's really going on here, you know?
Yeah, well, it's going to be funny how many people still say it's terrible service and it's a scam. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So like even as good of a thing as it's going to be, it's still going to be seen as just something.
Sure.
So yeah, but whatever.
Yeah. No, that's then this is not for them.
Yeah. Go get sold, man.
But
You know
but people like us do this.
Yeah.
What's next?
So we'll set up your email now.
Okay.
Just click in back in your Plesk. So Plesk is like pretty much where you control all of your domain like your hosting stuff.
Okay.
And you can set up like multiple emails with multiple domains and shit like that. So you can literally like make as many as you want.
Okay.
But you can only have one website. Like you have to upgrade for another website. You know what I mean? But
Which
you
is
can
what I only want one website right now, but I want to take all those other domains and point them towards this one.
But you could have all those other domains. You could have emails as all those other domains and not pay anything extra.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Like you just add new domains and over in your Plus server.
Yep.
Click right there.
Where? All right. Here, let me look at something first, though.
I'm gonna turn my heat on. It's chilly.
It's cold there?
Yeah. It's like 60. But the house, like, I don't know, it's a cold house. It's like stone.
So, do you think any of the, I mean,
Search engine visibility.
This can all change anytime we wanted. Like if we wanted,
you can import all of those over.
And does it really matter which one is the main one when a bunch of websites point to a? No,
I would do Hammer Sport Marketing though.
Yeah.
Like I would make that the main one. You know what I mean?
Sure. So how would we switch that from Hammersport Net to Hammersport Marketing then, what we just did?
Just that, click domains, click right here. Oh, actually right here, wait, go back. Oh, wait, go back. Copy this IP address. Go back to GoDaddy. Hammersportmarketing.com. Click DNS.
So what are we doing exactly right now?
We're just gonna add an A record to point your domain to my server. So we're just gonna do this before we set anything up.
Okay.
Wait, parked right there. Paste, save. And then we'll go back to Plesk. And we will click on websites and domains. Let's see. We should be able to add a domain. Register domain name.
Oh, is this, remember when you were talking about, like, let's say I wanted to have.
Never mind. That's the wrong one. Click that. Scroll down. Maybe I didn't set that up.
Remember how you were telling, what is it called, a subdomain and a parent domain?
Yeah, you can add a subdomain.
I saw that on here. So that would be like if I wanted to have Hammer Sport brand and just a website that just described Hammer Sport brand. And then I could have Hammer Sport Racing and Hammer Sport Marketing subdomains of Hammer Sport brand, right?
Yeah.
Which is what iDignity does with iDignity, and then there are other two that are underneath it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, a lot of people do that. Because
and that can all, once again, all be switched around later on through this whole system as well.
Yeah. You should be able to add multiple domains. I'm not sure why it's not.
Is that how then, let's say I wanted to expand.
Can you click right here?
Right.
Oh yeah, you just type in a new domain.
Oh shit. See, I kind of want that as the main domain name because it's so quick and easy to type.
Yeah.
But but then I kind of want the email addresses to be lewis@hammersportmarketing.com.
You can do that.
Does that make sense?
Yeah. But people are going to be confused.
Okay. So I should just do the whole thing at hammersportmarketing.com.
I mean, whatever you're going to use, like I would use it for everything. And then have everything else point back to it.
You're right. It should be hammersportmarketing.com because that's not confusing to anybody.
Yeah.
It's the name of exactly what I'm doing.
So just type it in.
Hey man, I don't like to overthink stuff, but I got to really overthink this, okay?
Why?
No, I'm kidding. That was a joke. I overthink everything.
So I would take away the www. That's just me. And then scroll down. Should be a force SSL. Yes, there isn't. Click that. We can't do that one. Click not selected.
Oh, because we have to give a certificate to the new domain as well?
Yeah, because otherwise it'll say you're trying to steal people's data and shit.
Okay.
Then apply. It's crazy how easy this shit is.
Yeah, I mean, you just know where to go, For me, this looks like 85 million options, and I don't know which option I want to do.
So do me a favor and go back here. Oh, actually, you can click OK. It doesn't matter. We already saved it. Let's encrypt. Oh, we gotta add MX records, so it's not gonna work for the webmail yet. Because we only added it to hammersport.net.
Thought this is where we did it.
No.
See?
You can't make up your mind.
Morning. Good thing.
So now we can click on hammersportmarketing.com and it'll work. It'll be like lock and key. See right there, and then it's a WordPress.
Aha. So we just basically switched my main domain to hammersportmarketing.com.
Yeah.
And then we encrypted that domain name so that it's encrypted and safe.
Yeah, and WordPress was already installed the whole time, so like nothing changed. You just changed the domain.
And so does hammersportmark.net now point to Hammersport Marketing?
No, right now hammersport.net just points to the server. But we can set up hammersport.net to point to that. Okay.
So what do you want to do now? Let's stay on track. That'll be a whole nother thing. We'll point a bunch of websites over there.
Yeah. So now I'm going to share my screen and I want to show you some cool shit.
Okay.
Shit. All right. So there's this thing called Kartra. It's almost like ClickFunnels, but it's way cooler. And I'm going to show you why.
I'd say that I need to play stupid and that you've already showed me Kartra and I already know what you're talking about, except that I don't because you've showed me Kartra, but I still don't know what you're talking about.
Oh, so Kartra is an all-in-one marketing platform. You can sell shit on it. You can email people on it. You can host landing pages on it. You can host opt-in forms on it. You can host membership sites on it. You can host videos on it. You can host calendars on it. You can host a help desk on it. And you can tie all that together with a giant campaign with sequencing and all that shit. And then it pretty much integrates with everything. It has its own API. It integrates with your API. It's pretty fucking cool.
So now when you say that it hosts all this stuff, I thought we were hosting stuff over at veteranhosting.com.
Yeah, we are. But you can also use it to make landing pages, just straight up make them. So you can use it as a website builder.
So you use it as a website builder and you build your landing page here, but still host it over on veteranhosting.com.
Yep.
There you go. But somebody could buy Kartra and then just use it and never use another hosting site or anything else like that.
Yep.
There you go. Okay.
Yeah. Kartra, I think it's like 50 or maybe $100 a month, and then they charge you $10 a domain. So if
Okay.
you want to do more than one, like I use a bunch of shit on Kartra, and that's why I do veteran hosting, because it's cheaper for me to host it than have them host it.
Sure. And me too.
Yeah. Just creating a category.
You got to make the second S. The S needs to be capitalized. Sorry.
No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't.
Okay. Well, anytime you're branding, it does.
This is not fucking branding, dude. This is making a category that nobody's gonna see.
I just was checking. I know the difference.
Like, literally nobody's gonna see that.
Yeah, but I didn't know that, so that's why I was checking.
But I appreciate you. I get it. Brand, yeah. Hammer and sport.
I'm deep enough down this awesome rabbit hole that I'm gonna start my copyright, or not copywriting, trademark process. I already looked into it. It takes a while, so I guess I got to get it going.
Yeah. So I just published this little template, right?
Yes.
Typically what you would do is, this is the page code, like the link to the page. So this is where you set up the link, right? You select
Okay.
what you want, video transcriber, and then you just type in the last four of the URL, right? Like whatever you set it as. But you can also do some shit like this, where you grab a JavaScript code, and then you what is it? Veteran 8443. I'm just gonna get into your hosting from the back end, because I can do shit like that.
Yeah.
And what we're gonna do is create a little folder. So this is WordPress. This is your WordPress installation.
Okay.
I'm in the directory of your site. So like with the storage and stuff,
Yep.
I'm gonna make a new folder called demo. And in demo, we're gonna make upload. Where is it? Upload. Rename this. Rename. So all this file is that I'm uploading. It's just a web page template. All a web page template consists of, I'll open it and show you, because I got to edit some code. This is all it consists of, like 5 lines of codes. You just say what kind of document type it is.
Okay.
And then this is like referencing the original HTML. Like it's just for resources. Like you don't need that.
Okay.
And then a header and a body, and then a closing tag. That's it. So head.
And the header literally is saying right in there between after the quotation is, what is the header going to say? That.
The header is going to say hammer, capital. All right. And then
okay. Yep.
What should it be, a space?
Oh, no, that's perfect. No, it's one word. I thought there was a quotation mark, but that was part of the get a junker before.
Yeah. And then that script that I just copied over there.
Uh-huh.
I just pasted it here. Okay.
Oh, I see it from the Kartra page.
Yeah. So we click apply, and then now we go to was it demo, right? There you go. This is the template. And then what happens is, so we'll come back over here and we'll start editing it. So, well, an agency for the future. And maybe we'll.
So you can do this in
Just a little wider.
In WordPress, right? But this is easier.
You can do it in WordPress, but you have to buy themes and shit. Like, and then each one has a different way that it can be structured and styled and all that shit. Like everybody has their own version. So and that's a whole rabbit hole in itself. Like, what's the best WordPress theme and shit like that? There's a bunch of different ones, and they're good. You know what I mean? But this is what I do. You know what I mean? So WordPress, I use WordPress to host a blog, right? And
Yeah.
but my main site is landing pages. Before I figured out how to do this, I was using WordPress to host the landing pages because it's so hard to make good looking landing pages within a WordPress template. It's really fucking hard. There are some now there are some newer ones, but you got to do the work to find them. Like, you know what I mean?
Whereas
so
this is
I
just good looking templates right away.
It takes me 2 minutes to do it. You know what I mean?
Yeah, and this looks awesome. And
yeah.
I can put my picture, my logo, boom.
Yeah. So
are you trying to sell me Kartra here or something?
Well, I mean, no, actually, that was a joke that I was gonna make.
No, but I was planning on buying Kartra. I just haven't got to the point where I knew I needed it yet.
So welcome to Hammer Sport Marketing.
Yes.
Welcome to Hammer Sport Marketing. And we'll delete this. We'll delete this. And then let's put a picture of some cars in here.
Should I send you some pictures?
No, check it out.
Oh, it's got a bunch of royalty-free images.
Yeah. This is why I like it, man, because you can just get shit done. You know what I mean? You don't have to wait on anybody or anything. Horses. Oh, oh shit. Come on.
Oh, there's a background on there. Wow.
Yeah. Dude, it's super in depth. And then what you can even do if like you're a super cool person, you can get in here and just edit the code if you want.
Oh. So one of those people that we hire will be able to go into that part and do that part.
And just do their own CSS. So you can you can literally do whatever you want.
So it just breaks open WordPress for a bunch of different level of users.
Well, I wouldn't even say WordPress. You know what I mean? Because it's not like WordPress is. This brings a different type of using the internet. Like it's more like ClickFunnels and like not Salesforce, but what is it? Here's another one that a lot of people use. HubSpot does this shit. Like a lot of these CRMs with templates and shit.
Okay.
This is what they're doing. But this is
the
one that,
Shopify.
Shopify is an e-commerce based, and you can't do shit like this on Shopify.
You can't.
I mean, you can kind of.
Can you do e-commerce on here?
Yep. Yeah, you can sell products and stuff.
So we could build. Can we build a product selling website? So when we become a dealer for this company I have, that we're going to go on.
Well, what we would do is build the product pages on here, and then host it somewhere else.
Can we host it on Veteran, or do we need to go?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's some cool shit that we can just put on there. That's like we can do it on WordPress. You know what I mean?
Yep.
But there's some other cool shit that we can use too.
I mean, I'm gonna get that going. Like they already offered it to me.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Well, dude, we should sell that shit on Amazon for real.
Yeah, no, we're gonna do whatever we can. We're gonna sell it on Pinterest, dude.
No, I mean like we should start an Amazon store.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
That's why I have to get my trademarking done too, because we got to trademark Hammersport. Hammersport has to be trademarked to sell a big time on the Amazon store.
No, it doesn't. You just sell it under his brand. It doesn't have to be trademarked.
Oh, wonder if they already are.
So I just published this, right? It took like 5 minutes to make some changes, and we'll see it's saved. And if we come over here and refresh, it updates automatically.
So I can go into this now and start typing and writing copy in here.
Yeah. So that's what I mean. It just gets you up and running super fast. Like there's no bullshit. You know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah. No, I love it. It's pretty, looks like it's user friendly.
So we'll go through that, and then we'll go through WordPress, and we'll see the difference. So now I'll go into your WordPress. I'll just do it from over here. I need to upload a theme and get you going. Log in.
So that's just the demo for now. So now you're going to upload a theme, get it going, but we're still going to end up going back using Kartra to really do the whole thing.
Right now, this is the demo. This is what you see. If you click on a blog, this is what you like. So what we need to do is put a theme on this, and this is the theme I use. It's called Avada. I don't know if you've ever heard of it. It's like the most popular theme.
Oh, it is. Okay.
The highest grossing. And they let you to do a lot, but in my opinion, it's just too much. It's too much. Most of these things are too much. They're trying to do everything in one, and it just gets weird. Gotta refresh. So Avada almost always crashes your site when you install it, just because it's so much script that loads at once.
Oh. So let me state that again. You're just doing this to show me, but then we're gonna, when we do the full build out of Hammersport marketing, or when I do that, most likely it's still gonna get done using Kartra.
It should, yeah. Yeah, but this is just to show you the WordPress shit.
Yeah,
because like people will be like, oh, like I'll still use WordPress. Like, go ahead and use it, but this is what you're dealing with. I mean, it's not bad. So this is what we have now. It's made a bunch of pages and shit. Maybe not. Oh, I have to install. So now we'll go through and install a theme. So I installed the required plugins. There's a video that tells you how to use it. And what we do is go to Fusion Builder. Actually, see, I don't even know how to use this shit. Demos right here. And this is where we click to install. Like most people will start from a demo and then they'll work off of that.
Sure.
So I started off Avada SEO, but you would do something like Avada Agency, right? So that we can preview it. They have preview sites. This is what you would see. It's like they're really nice.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
So we'll import it.
Now, if we do this though, we're still probably doing it the way that 8,500 agents have done in America already.
And not only this, but they paid somebody $5,000 to do it for them on WordPress.
They're an agency. Didn't they do it themselves?
No, most people pay. No, most people are agencies.
So a creative agency still pays another agency.
I mean, if that agency is then charging somebody 500 or 5,000, whatever they're charging to fucking do this, you know.
So our plan is to just build the whole, like, obviously we're going to use contractors in the beginning when we have to, and I'm already lining those contractors up. But
so this is what I do. I just build landing pages, like what I did for your other thing, like this one right here that we built for the client.
Yep.
This is just a landing page. I'm built on Kartra. That's it. No blog, anything behind it. Just a landing page.
Yeah, they don't need they don't need other pages. They just need.
No, they don't. But what happens is, like, when people hire someone to build it, then they start building them like a big ass thing, and it doesn't need to be.
So what, so what is Hammer Sport marketing or Hammer Sport racing now? What are those different links at the top? Are those each a different page?
Yeah, but if you don't have a blog, this could all be with static HTML too. This is all a template though.
Yeah. What kind of is it a WordPress template?
Yeah, this is WordPress.
So the only thing I noticed is that things go from schedule to past events automatically, you know, so there's some cool things in here, you know, like
yeah, you can do all that within a WordPress site.
Okay. And then the gallery, check out the gallery.
Like WordPress run, like you can do whatever you want. It's like it runs PHP, but the problem is that like it's doing so much while it's hosting your page. Like it's a whole database, it's a whole thing. Like it's a server.
I get it. Okay, and that's why it goes slow.
Yeah, look at this. You know what I mean? And then look at this, like boom. You know, like this loads within like 3 seconds. This is still running. So it's, I mean, it's not bad. These are all options. Like it's not that one's better than the other. It's just like whatever suits you, you know?
Go to the videos and see if that's working. See, the videos, what I don't like is these don't auto-populate when I put a new video up. These are coming from YouTube.
Yeah.
But they don't auto-populate when I put a new one on YouTube.
Oh yeah, that takes work. You have to set up something to do that.
No, I knew that, but I mean, but that can be done, right?
Yeah.
And now, could that be done on Kartra?
No.
So there's things that are
auto do it. Like you could if you wrote some custom script to do that.
Okay. Okay. So there's certain limitations of Kartra versus WordPress.
No, WordPress has those same limitations. Like you have to write custom script. Everything has that limitation. That's all custom shit.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. But see, like I just imported a theme. It just loaded a bunch of pages.
Oh, and now I can name those pages, blah, blah, blah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And so like now you can work off of this if you want. And we can go in and edit it. And then this is their editing thing. So like for me, it's not.
Oh, I got to know what every one of those things is to edit it.
Yeah.
Like I don't know what that container is, so I just be editing some random spot on the page that I don't even understand which one it is.
Right. So that's my it's too much for me.
Whereas on the Kartra, I can go right to what it looks like and edit right from there.
Yeah. Yeah, you can just click on the box.
Oh, yeah.
See.
So I personally could build a website on Kartra right now, whereas I could not build a website on WordPress right now.
Yeah, I mean, you could. Like, it would just take longer.
I'd be back and forth looking at where did I type this? Where did it go?
And then you're like, fuck it, it might be better just to pay someone $500 to do it. You know what I mean? So that's where people make their money. And it's not like it's a big deal, but like for people like us that need to test shit quick, we can't afford to do that every time, you know? So this is just what I found that works really easy.
Okay.
Really simple.
Well, and what I see is our whole industry has been filled with the lazy solution. Okay. That's what I call it. And the lazy solution is to say that it's so hard to do that I'm only going to do this for you once. It's going to be $2,500, but if you want it done again, it's going to be $2,500.
Yeah.
Whereas to me, the right way to do it is to say, look, we're going to do this in stages. Here's what you want. And we definitely want you to have this awesome, dynamic WordPress site. That's what you need down the road. But for now, we're going to start with a $500 Kartra site and get you up and running. Build you some ads, get the money, keep the money going, get this thing, get some videos going, and then we're going to build you a WordPress site We're going to start building 6 months from now, and we're going to take our time because you don't have to rush to get it up. We're going to get the WordPress site right, make all the changes, and then we'll launch that one. And then we're going to notice how it goes slow, and we're going to keep money going in, and we're going to do some advertising.
Well, that's the thing is people spend time and money optimizing their WordPress site, like for speed and like, you know what I mean?
Yep.
And a lot of that can be handled with some of these other things, or it can be done yourself. Like it's not like it's really whatever your taste is, whatever best suits you. Like there's options for everybody.
Okay.
That's, you know, that's how I like to look at it.
Sure. Well, hey man, that was an awesome education for me and for anybody who watches this, I guess. So
yeah, so now you got your website up.
Thank you. Should we end this thing for everybody and leave it at that?
Oh yeah. So thanks everyone for watching. We'll be back some other time, probably next week. Happy Memorial Day. Peace.